Good morning, students. This morning I'm going to teach science. The topic I'm going to teach is sound. So when you remember what last time I taught you about sound, and I will continue where we stopped last time. So the question I'm going to ask is that when you ask question, you can see that this question I'm asking is about what is sound. So I asked you this question last time, and I want you to understand this very clear. So now when you ask yourself, what is sound? So now you can understand that the sound we hear every day around us, and how do we understand this sound and what makes sound. So now in this case, I give you this example and I give you the picture for you to understand the source of sound. So this picture shows how we get sound. Okay, when a drum is being hit, the tight drum skin on it vibrates. So you can understand this. So when you look at this, you can see that this is skin where we hit the stick. So when you are hitting it, that is skin, the drum skin will be vibrating, and that's what produce sound. So this is the source of sound. So the vibration of that skin is the one producing sound. Okay. So when you understand, and when have you ever, if you know that if you know drum, and if you play drum before, you will know that the skin, when you are hitting the stick on that drum skin, you can understand that the skin will be vibrating. That's what makes sound. When you hit it hard, the skin will do what? The vibration will go high. When you hit it slow, you will see that the sound will reduce a little bit because of the hard you hit the skin, the higher the sound will come up. Okay, so that is all about the sound. So you can understand that anything around us, like when you use something on metal, hit metal or anything, you will hear it. You can hear the sound, and you understand that the sound can come up. You can produce sound with anything around us, because even the way I'm talking now, you can see that you hear my voice because I'm talking, and my voice is just producing sound from my throat. So you can understand how we get sound and how we hear sound. Okay, so now look at this thing. You can understand this, the source of sound again. So when a trumpet is blowing, the chrome of air in it vibrates and gives out sound. So trumpet, when it blow the trumpet, you understand that there's a chrome inside that will be vibrating. That's what brings sound. Okay, because that when you are blowing the trumpet, the air you are pushing inside that chrome will be vibrating that chrome, and the time of vibrating that chrome will makes the sound come out. Okay, because if you are blowing it if you blow it hard, the cord will be vibrating. That's what producing sound. Okay, so you can see this trumpet. You understand how to blow. I know that you never blow trumpet, but you see this is the sign. Another example of sound, the way we produce sound. So this is part of source of sound. Okay, trumpet is a part of source of sound. You can be able to see it in different places. People use it and make music and make sound. And when people are playing music, and you see that some are blowing trumpet, some are playing guitar, and some are playing drum. So all this is generating what? Sound. Okay, so now we can see the guitar. So you see that the guitar is around another thing that generating sound. When you are touching playing the wire, you can see that the wire will be vibrating. That's what's linked to produce the sound. So the source of sound is what? You understand that sound is producing, sound makes the vibration makes a sound. So when you are hitting something and the vibration is what making sound, so that is what makes sound. Sound can come up from vibration of things or objects. So like now I'm talking, you can understand that my cord, my throat cord is vibrating. That's what producing sound out for you to hear my voice. So this is all about sound. Okay, now when you look at this one, this is what you're going to write: number 7, number 8, and number 9. So you write it down in your in page 83. So page 83, you will now write this down. So this is example. That's what I'm going to. That's what you're going to write in your book. So when you open page 83, you write it down. Okay. So you can understand this what I'm talking about. So in this case, you see that. Let me give you an example. Let me read this one for you to understand. So we can talk or sing because the vocal cord in our throat vibrates. So when you are talking, the vocal cord is vibrating in your throat like this. So there's vocal cord inside your throat. So if you know that if you sing or talk hard, you will, when you shout, you will know that there's something after your throat, inside your throat will be paining you. So you can see some of their musicians there, after they start, they have some problem in their vocal chord. So all these things is all about how to make sound, and sound is coming out by vibration. So now you see that when this one is that you see when a bee is flying, the wing is what vibrating. You hear the sound of bee, so that you can see that the wind is what the wing is vibrating. That's what makes sound. You hear the sound of bee, so you understand this vibration. So the buzzing of this sound is that vibration. You hear the sound of the bee when the bee is flying. So now another one is you see the trumpet. When trumpet is blowing, you see that the sound will be coming out. So we can able to write this one, number 7. Okay. The question is here is that what do you see and hear? I see drum fork, and I hear the vibration sound. Okay, so I have already explained this one in last class, but just continuation of this last one is what you're going to write here. Okay, so complete it. So number 7 and number 8 and number 9. So you have already write number 1, you have already write number 1, number 2, and number 5, number 6. Okay, so complete this one. Okay, so please, I hope you understand about sound. So this explanation, with this explanation, I hope you understand what I have already explained about the sound. So please have a nice day and be a good girl. Bye bye. Be a good boy. Bye bye.